Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101, and today we have February's edition of Crate Club. This time they actually have a box for us, unlike last month, so hopefully there's some, hopefully it's a good product or two. So alright, so we opened it up with the knife. Hopefully it's something good. Okay, we have a card. This says Ready Man Pocket Survival Stove XL. So we're getting one item. You get 6 stove walls and okay. Here it is. Okay, we got something kind of similar last month, and I don't, in my opinion, I'm not even gonna show the back of this card because they're doing like a promo code discount to get 15% off of their product, and yeah, not happy with Crate Club. This is box 3 of that I've gotten, 3 out of 6. The first one was good with the neck knife. Last month, the rat's tourniquet was pretty good, but getting, just one of these last month, it was like, okay. And then the holder for the rat's tourniquet really wasn't worth it. And just for this month, just to get one item, I saw someone do an unboxing of another company. And by the way, I just want to say this before I go any further. I am not sponsored by Crate Club. I paid for this out of my own money. And for me, I'm giving you my honest opinion on products. And for this being $34 for this is really not worth it to me. Yes, I actually went online while I was going over this with you to see. That's why there's a little bit of pausing. This supposedly cost $35 on the Ready Man's website. So, but there's some other companies out there that they have different, categories, just like Crate Club does. But some of theirs is a little bit cheaper, like $24, $44, and goes higher up. Someone got a $24 one, and you got EMT scissors. You got an EMT kind of like a pouch that you could put the latex gloves in there, that it has the PALS webbing, so you could clip it to any of your EDC bag. You got some gauze, you got a few writing things, you even got some LED lights that flash for different colors that kind of talked about trauma, and that was $24, and I was like, wow, that's a lot. Hopefully this month is better, and this one isn't. So Crate Club, I hope you watch this video. This isn't what, in my opinion, you should be giving people for $34. For $34, there should be more than just one item, versus the other companies that you're actually getting multiple items. So what I'm going to do, and I hope Crate Club watches this, I'm repeating myself, but I am going to create my own, like a little box of the month. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spend $34, which is the exact amount I'm paying for this. I'm going to come up with my own theme, and I'm going to post it. That's going to be my next video. So, for future people, when people watch this video, you should be able to go into the description and you will see that link to that video of what I'm going to spend $34 on, because $34, this just isn't worth it. And I'm actually going to have a theme, and with the gear that I'm going to be putting in there is going to be a heck of a lot better than what I have now gotten the last 2 out of the 3 months from Crate Club. Very, very disappointed. I'm also going to send Crate Club an email saying these are really, really disappointed, and for how much advertisement and stuff that goes into this just isn't worth it. I'm rambling on. I'm very upset. This is just, it really, to be honest, it pisses me off. So write down below what you guys think. Do you guys think, for $35, just getting this to kind of interlock these to turn into a stove, do you think it's worth it or not? My opinion, No, thumbs down. Definitely. It's not worth it just to get this. When especially there's other subscription boxes, you're getting a lot more items than just one or two items, whatever that you're getting from Crate Club. So very disappointed. So please stay tuned for my next video that I'm going to create my own box, a Crate Club, in a way of showing what I could be spending $34 on versus this stuff that I'm getting. So definitely write in the comment sections down below. I really want to hear what you guys, think about this. And hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We will catch you guys down the road.